Oh, you got a nice spot there now. You pleased as punch? You pleased as punch with your new lookout? Yeah. Isn't that nice? Good morning. Good morning, and look what you've got now. Oh, back to the old way we had before. Yeah, you like that? You like that? Oh, it's a little dark. You look pretty pleased with your new place. Yeah, you can go all the way up here, up to your post. Isn't that awesome, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's your blanket. Yeah, nice. Nice blanket. Aw. Yeah. Pretty cozy too. That's awesome. Yeah. Like that, don't you?